You know when you backtest, like you don't cut profits, you don't cut losses, you tend to like have higher profits.
Yeah, yesterday I was backtesting.
If it's just
gold,
I don't know if
right?
it's just me.
No, if you don't cut, you have your full position. Definitely, you have higher profits.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just need a like 60% win rate, and you're gaining quite a lot.
Yeah. Yesterday I was backtesting gold on the 1 hour. Because ever since we figured out the cost and the profit and loss in terms of dollars, yesterday I was backtesting it. So I left it at like full out at 1 hour. Then I did a simulation for 2 weeks. Not too bad, 1.4 and 1.65% per week. Like the first one was 1.4, second one was like 1.65. So I thought, not too bad. Let me.
You should try 2R.
No, it didn't even go to 2R. It moved like 1 hour, then boop, came back, hit my stop. Yeah. I was entering on the 1 hour. So
how big is your stop?
30 to 50 pips average.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's damn big. It was a 1 hour. I tried on the 5, then my percentage gain was gross. So I didn't bother. Okay, hang on, let me bring on YouTube.
Hey, yeah, if you switch to 4 hour.
Give me 1 second. Let me start YouTube first.
I want to be the first comment.
Bro, too late.
What? Someone comment already?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
There are a lot of hungry ghosts on YouTube. See? See? You go and look at the comments. This is why I didn't come on earlier.
And see your screen.
Bruh. People cannot read the time.
I want to see the comments.
They'll be so FOMO when they hear us discussing something and then they don't have it. With what leverage am I trading? 1:200. Four hour, right, Manish?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you look at 4 hour, I was thinking if the 4 hour flips bearish, there might be the good sell.
Wait, again, sorry? If the 4 hour...
If it flips bearish, I was thinking of going for sells. Because it looks like it made a very deeper wick, and if it flips bearish, it might go down.
To 140?
To the first target would be 139,800, and the next one would be 139,500.
But if you enter when it flips bearish, will you enter when it passes the wick or before?
I would be comfortable entering once it crosses 140, 100.
Oh, so the wick.
Let me just send you this chart. I've marked the zones here. It might make more sense.
Because if you look at my chart, right?
Yeah, similar, very similar.
Martin, can you see the YouTube? Is the chart appearing on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Okay, let me see. If you have 140, 100. Okay, so wait, let me move all my face away. So 140 for me, right, was a daily level. So let me see. I think might not be very relevant. Wait, give me a second. Let me see 140, 100. I have 140, yeah, as a 4 hour level though, sorry. Which you have as well, but it says you have it as 140, 100. Because I have this this one here, this was resistance and then it became support. That's why I kept the level. Like you have 140, 100 because of where the wick stopped, right?
Yeah.
Because I noticed you were saying that your first TP was actually here, but I would be concerned with this support here actually because this is strong. Yeah. So
Okay.
if you were to take it down when it passes the wick, right? I don't know if you have enough risk reward. Because here to this support here is about 14 pips.
13 pips. Yeah, it's not good enough.
Yeah, and your stop might be a bit big if you're taking the 4-hour flip. Plus, all I can see is the higher lows created. Yeah. I'm not too sure about the shorts yet. Because if you look at this bearish candle, right? Just this individual candle, the low didn't even break the previous low, even though it closed bearish. So, I'm not a fan of the shorts.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
We didn't manage took a buy.
Yeah, just now. No, but he's just not.
Are you
He's
still
just observing.
Are you still in it?
No, I'm not in it. I've already so it went up, and as soon as it came back to my wherever I bought it, I just cut the whole thing.
Yeah, it's
Very careful with
ranging.
my risk management.
Yeah, it's ranging.
But London's gonna open though.
Yeah, it's
If it closes like this, there's a high chance when it wicks down, it's gonna go to 140, 500.
if this 15 closes like this above these wicks, you can.
Yeah.
I would consider the entry, but it needs to break the
Right.
wicks. Yeah, but only on the close. I don't trust it yet. It's,
There's still 2 minutes. Yeah, 140, 200 is like a very, it's quite a
strong level.
big support. Yeah.
I have it as a 4-hour. Wow, GJ, good job.
GG knew. GG knew that we all close our position.
It's okay. Let me see what's happening. Is there news? Oh, now my risk reward is kind of shitty.
500 is like, it's quite good, I think, for me. But you just gotta use a aggressive stop loss. If there's a wick down, if there's no wick down, then
Bye-bye
I'm
already.
just gonna stay with my original position.
Yeah, there's no way to add back. Might be a very quick move though, I think. So if this next candle makes a tiny wick down, then aggressive stop loss there. Or maybe here, depending on how whether or not there is a wick. See how big the wick is.
I'm just gonna take full position at 500. Not gonna
play,
partial.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about
You
14.
guys looking to enter after it closes above?
Yeah, it needs to close above this. It was supposed to close like this just now when we were in. Damn it.
Moving too high. It's like yesterday. The stop loss is getting bigger this month.
Yeah, that's what I want to see on the next candle if there's a tiny wick down and then booms.
Is it on that wick or
Closed. Yep, there's a wick. There's a wick.
There's a wick. My chart has no wick.
My broker has a wick. It's a damn small wick. I'm not in yet. We'll let it see if it wants to come down.
so you want to enter as an impulse?
Wait, I'm measuring. Hang on. This area here, it needs to hold my resistance if it comes down. spreads are jumping.
There's no wick on my chart.
You're a broker?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine has a baby wick. Yeah, when it breaks the previous wick, then let me see how big would my.
What if it breaks the previous wick?
Shut up.
Yep, I'm in.
Yeah, me too.
I'm just going to grab.
I'm into
500 and then I'm done. I'm not playing with GJ today. It's so dodgy. Yeah.
I don't think I'm adding positions.
Nah, you have your position, so just leave it.
Yeah. It's very hard for me to add on.
Just leave it, man. Don't play with it. It's not even 10. I just want to grab this move here.
500, right? You guys are in 500
Yeah.
to 500.
Yeah, my stop is
same.
damn tight. I'm not playing.
Come on. 7 more pips. And I'm done.
395. Let's see.
come on.
Think I'm not gonna leave a runner today.
No, GG's dodgy.
But if it breaks out of the range, I think it could go all the way to 141.
Then I'll wait for
If I
another.
want to enter, I will want to wait for it to break that resistance first.
Yeah. If it breaks through the resistance, there's a clean move.
Yeah, so I'll wait for it to break. This one, I didn't even hit this one at full risk, man. The way GJ is going. No full risk.
10 to 11 pips.
Yeah. Once it hits 500, right, I'm putting my stop at break even.
Ooh, 500?
Yeah. I'm locking my stop.
I got my TP at 520. 527.
Because of the... I'm looking at the 1 hour. I'm going to be full out at this area here. Yeah, this one. $540. My broker has clean traffic till $480. But I wait for the retest to go into the upside. The retest happened as a wick, like what we were discussing. So it was a bit too quick for me to... If you guys were listening, we were explaining this, so it was a bit too quick for me to slowly draw stuff. But this was in anticipation of the London move because we were already discussing this long move from earlier before the stream started. The idea started for me when this 1 hour candle closed back bullish. It was a bit hard because there was a lot of nonsense consolidation that happened before that, but the idea is still the same. GU is stuck in a range. It has not broken any low or any high. I will not touch it personally because this area here not broken, this area here not broken. I'm not touching it unless you want to sell this small range down. Yeah, it's right in the middle of the range. I'm not touching it. For gold, overall higher time frames is still bullish. This was based on the data yesterday, I think, the vaccine and the US data. So it might be continuing on its original uptrend. So I had a aggressive stop below the candle, the current 15 candle, because I don't want the trade to flip down and go back into this range.
Oh, coming back. Let's get myself.
Be more confident in taking longs after 500.
Yeah, definitely above 500 is of course a lot cleaner. That's why I didn't hit this one with full range. But above 500, even on the 1 hour, is damn dirty on the left. See, consolidation on the 1.
I closed the whole thing.
Yeah, GJ is tough.
I almost got it.
Tough.
Oh,
Yeah, shit.
Something's about to happen. Some big move. I can
Yeah,
guarantee.
me too. When it ranges so hard like that, right? Something's gonna happen. Let's see. Look at the 4 hour, man. It's so tight. Just printing side by side chopsticks. Let's see. My half position is still in. Struggling. So those who FOMO in, just manage. I hope no one
I
did.
think it's gonna bound to go 142.
I'm not even thinking about it until you can break 140, 500.
Maybe I should like make my TP 142. Look at that range. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
man. Yeah, if this hits my stop, right, I'm going to only enter above 140, 500 already. Like, I'm not touching this range anymore. This London Open was dodgy. It's about to get me. Yep, I got hit.
Now it can go up.
It's okay. No, I'm not touching anymore. I'm going to touch it only above 500.
GG's playing games.
Yeah, man. Let's see. I don't see any news.
Amber really came back like that.
I wouldn't even say clean buys. I think it's better. It's cleaner above. This is the worst London's. Yeah, tell me about it, Andy. I'm just really kicking myself now.
Fuck you, Andy.
Be right back. I'm go take water.
I just read the comment. Man, this should have been a clean move up. Just one of those days, I guess.
Yeah, it's January.
Yeah. Choppy. big stop losses, too much ranging.
Just look at the 4 hours, then you'll know.
Yeah. But sometimes you know how the 4 hours are like consolidating, but there's like good moves happen if it wasn't January. Like usually, sometimes there's good moves happen in between the smaller smaller time frames.
Yeah.
Just not today.
But if you look at the 4 hours, it's ranging upwards.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
going up while ranging.
Yeah, the problem with that is like you can never know it's still arranging, so it could still just push down. And, like something's gonna happen. Like it's either gonna push up strong to upside or to the downside strong. Like it's gonna do either of that. It's not
Yeah.
once it breaks the consolidation, it won't stop. That's what I feel like is gonna happen.
Azim, if you're here for signals, right, it's the wrong channel, man. I'm not gonna call another pair just because you want to trade.
How about Bitcoin? Buy 20K of Bitcoin.
Yeah, it's the wrong channel, man.
Or maybe sell it actually. I'm thinking about selling. It's too high.
You hit your stop loss, you ask me to check for another signal so you can take another trade. Wow. Talk about over trading, man. Come on.
Hit stop loss. Please check another pair.
Bruh. That's how you wipe your account. Once you hit your stop loss, you need to reevaluate if your analysis is correct, which is what I'm doing now.
I think the analysis was good. It's just that price is really choppy.
I think so too.
And I think it has to do something with it being January as well.
Yeah. You know, if I didn't cut my trade, it would have gone.
Yeah.
As what Martin said.
There's someone in this chat is a spy.
Why?
Like they
Someone's bubble spy, huh?
like they contacted the banks and told, oh my god, Eleanor took the trade.
Oh damn.
That's
Let's take her paper money.
Give her hope and then destroy it.
Yeah. Destroy me.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming back up. Should I enter?
Yay, it's going up. Yay.
Yay, GJ. Give me a slap on my face,
Let's
please.
go,
Thank you.
Guys, don't
look
enter
at that.
again.
Wow, GJ.
Guys, don't enter.
Give
If
it
you
a
guys
second
enter,
chance.
GG is just gonna go down.
Give it a second chance, my boy.
No second chances.
Can I check your signals? If you send a chart, I will be able to look at it. But if you send a chart with no words, I will open and I will close it. Just saying. Because there's no point. I cannot read your mind. So, hey Angela, yeah, I came back early to help chill with everyone. I'm not live. Am I selling my iPad Pro? How do you know I have an iPad Pro? Wow, Zim is hunting for signals, man. He's literally taking everyone's like charts and trying to buy them. Good luck.
No,
No, I like my iPad Pro. I cannot live without my iPad Pro.
Why? Why do you have iPad Pro? What's the point?
Because I can.
Okay. Whoa. Okay.
Nah, I bought it last time when I was working. I needed it. Yeah.
Oh, you guys need iPad Pro, is it?
No, actually iPad can already. My bags are itchy.
I thought they give you free iPad to deal with the customers. No?
No,
Oh.
Wait, do you work at Apple?
no.
Then why do you say?
Financial consultant.
Oh, you work at financial consulting.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow, GJ, come, I clap for you.
Come on, 3 more pips.
Bloody hell! Ah! Making me so angry.
Oh my god, is it gonna give me hope again and then just go down?
No,
He's gonna touch 148, right? 48.
I'm gonna go
Come
up.
on, just 48.
Yeah, was it like a
48.
retest?
Yes.
Did
Retest to the
Yeah.
retest to this resistance and then go up.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Holy. Oh.
time?
Did I get the iPad pencil? Yes, I did. I'm a sucker. Wow, GJ hurts my soul. GJ hurts my soul.
Oh, man.
Okay, now you can go down.
Bloody hell, man. Guys, want to see my
Oh,
original
right,
entry? Want to see my original entry? That I was stupid enough not to measure and manage properly? Good job! Come, I give myself a pat on the back. Oh my god.
And the problem is, like, if you wanted to have a safe stop loss, it would have been like a negative R0.
Huh? You're really soft. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you were really soft just now. Oh my
So I
god.
was saying, like, would have been a negative R&R if you wanted to have a safe stop loss, putting your stop loss under the previous.
No, Kevin, you're really soft. You need to come nearer.
Oh man,
Alright,
ASMR. Kevin ASMR.
Kevin ASMR.
actually further from the computer, but you guys were listening good. I mean,
No, just now was fine. Now you're like, it sounds like you're mumbling. I'm not disturbing you, but you really sound like you're mumbling.
mumble rap.
Mumble FX.
That's a good name.
Mumble FX.
Yeah, you just do a live stream, right? Then you just mumble.
And then get so much hate for it.
The TP.
I don't think that's gonna be a good for business.
How to avoid the retest? You cannot avoid it. Sometimes it's just deeper than it is. So I don't know. On my entry, I wouldn't even have put my stop loss so deep because it would make my risk reward negative. So plus it doesn't make sense to have it so deep to me anyway. Because I only saw as far as 480. Was anyone still in the original entry? The very first one. The very first one, right? That we took.
Yeah, I was in all the way.
Noise.
You almost hit my SL though.
Yeah, it was
But
nasty inside
I
here.
cut 50 lah. I cut 50. So
Yeah.
like 50%.
Good one.
So should I enter again?
GJ, is that a liquidity grab move? Yes. Yes.
Funny part is, you know how I entered yesterday on the pullback?
Yesterday?
Yeah.
On the bearish candle?
It was a bit. So this candle was very tight.
Bro, I cannot hear.
Oh no way! Come on.
Mumble effects.
Trust me, really, ask the rest. I'm not lying, I'm not trolling you.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't even know what the hell you're talking about.
All I heard was
I
on
said-
the pullback, and then I didn't hear
So
anything else.
Yesterday trade, I took a pullback trade, right?
Yeah.
Same. So I did the same thing today, but this time it worked really.
No, but
So I
yesterday's
don't know if
candle
that's
was yesterday's candle was a bearish candle when you entered.
Yeah, but this one would have been bearish as well. Like the idea is like I enter at when it's bearish, expecting it to turn around.
But where?
But yesterday, once it closed bearish, I closed 50%, right?
Oh, okay.
Because the idea is like to expect that price is like retracing, and I am entering at the retracement, and then price will come back to the upside. But yesterday it closed bearish, so I closed 50%. But this time it kept like it came back to the upside. So
Then if you're already expecting the retracement, right? Why not just put a buy limit at the previous resistance or buy stop
at the support,
at the
or
resistance?
wrong.
Yeah, because you're expecting it to retest the area, right? But the question is where you're gonna put the stop.
That would be the previous candle's low.
Oh, here?
I don't see it, but
140, 200?
yeah.
Wow.
You're on the 15-minute, right? It would be, yeah. I don't know. Should I try to get more information on it? See if what actually works more?
Yeah. Because if you, I mean, the entire premise of your entry is you are anticipating that it will go up. That's why you're willing to enter a risky entry when it's coming down.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you probably need to go and test to see what's your hit rate of that. Because I don't do it personally. To me, because I am more conservative, right? I will only trade when the candles are in my favor, and price has already shown me that it's in my favor. So no, regardless of how the candle is forming, I will always only enter. The closest is at the body. After the candles have shown me that it wants to flip and continue higher. Yeah.
My viewpoint is like I'm looking for a smaller stop loss where, especially on the break side, I see like sometimes like right now price breaks above a resistance, and then like the candle enters, the stop loss becomes a little bit too big for me, and I have to wait for an aggressive stop loss like today, like how it did right now. And that one works, but it hasn't been working quite well.
Yeah. So you maybe get more data and then validate that theory.
Yeah. The theory is like when it retrace, it's giving me a lower stop loss to enter.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe I have to test it.
Because a lower stop loss is one thing, but if you have a lower stop loss, it could also be another situation where you are squeezing the stop loss.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
I want to get find a high probability into where the price is clean, it's creating higher highs and higher lows, and then that could be a higher percentage chance for it to work out.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I gotta go already. Thanks for listening.
Bye. Are you going to the gym?
No, going out.
Oh, wow. You had pips and then now you're going out. Okay, bye.
Tomorrow, bye.
Wear your mask.
Yeah.
What was my original? My god, look at GJ going.
Whoa. I had to go without us.
Yeah, I know, right?
If I didn't move my stop loss to be, I would have been still in it, but it is what it is.
Yeah. You just came in, grabbed all of our stops, and then continue up. It would have never hit my very first entry. Never. It never. Oh, this is so annoying. But sometimes GJ just does this. This is all hindsight, right? Yeah. We would have never known all this would have happened.
Nope.
Yeah.
So right now it's making above the 4 hour.
Yeah, it's the Japanese news.
Probably the best time to trade it would be a August time. Buy something because the 4 hour goes above. Maybe it leaves a wick and then Raja will buy the wick at the fill of the wick or something like that.
On the 4 hour? Here?
So let's say the 4 hour closes above above the resistance, leaving a wick for the next 4 hours. So I can already see Raja would buy that.
Yeah.
That's Raja's bread.
Let's see. How do we buy this now?
I just said
I don't think we can. Yeah.
No, we can't.
We can't. I literally said the news was going to be negative and it's going to be good for the pound. And then it's
you did say.
Oh.
You even typed it in the chat.
Yeah. I was like, I think the yen news is going to be negative. It should push pound up. And then, no, it didn't want to give me a chance. Oh well, it is what it is.
It's always the next time.
Yeah. But it's good that it broke out of this range.
Yeah, exactly. It's disgusting.
Yeah, man. Let's see.
It honestly looks clean on the 1 hour.
Yep.
Don't chase it now.
No, man.
No entry. There's no entry. That's the problem. It's a good clean candles, but no entry.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking about my trade earlier. Well, lots of things to think about.
I'm gonna draw my entry that I took this morning because it was on the 1 hour as well. I saw that there's a retest, them two bearish candles. I thought support was formed, but then I think it's gonna do a retest. Yes, one of the bearish candles closed below that support, but then a new support was forming when the 30-minute closed bullish.
Yeah.
So, and then we went up from there.
Yeah.
But it had to dance.
I think for me, maybe because I entered on the 1 hour, now that I'm reviewing my trade, I think because the entire premise was based on the 1 hour, I shouldn't have micromanaged it. I think I fiddled with it a bit too much. Yeah, because the only reason why I entered it was because of this clean candle here, and then yet I went to keep picking at it. Oh man.
But do you think there's a clean candle? It should just be a smooth move, but
no, not all the time. But
but on the 1 hour, the stop loss is far away. I think when you the last 1 hour candle, you have to put your stop loss below.
Yeah, but
200, I think.
Or it wasn't very big though. Here, it was only 11.
You entered before. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it was 11. That's why I was like, wow, this is a good 2 hour trade. Because this candle wasn't very big, and then I think I
really good.
But it closed at resistance, I think.
Yeah, but on my broker it went above. That's why I entered it. I wasn't looking at this, I was looking at my broker. So that tiny bit got me. I think that's why, because it closed just a tiny bit above this resistance on my broker. So I thought that it wasn't strong enough. But if I take myself back and think about it, this is a 1 hour time frame. a 1 hour support is strong, so I should have just left it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
That's how I'm thinking about as I'm reviewing my trade, because I literally went up and then when I saw the candle coming out, I was like, oh, so I kind of validated all the cons in my head. Yeah.
Were you worried about the resistance on the 30-minute?
No, because it was 1 hour support. Basically, the higher the time frame support or resistance forming, right, should break through all the lower time frame zones. So all my gray zones here are lower time frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
I meant like in the trade, when you were in the trade at the moment.
At that point in time, yes. When the wick came down so hard, right, then yes. But I should have just reminded myself that the 1 hour is solid. And my issue has always been micromanaging the trade. It always gets me. And this is just another case. So if you guys have that issue as well, just remind yourself of the time frame that you entered off. And trust. No trust. So I'm gonna
But
make
then imagine if it didn't go your way and then your stop loss gets hit. I think managing is good. It's just trusting yourself sometimes and your analysis is.
I actually think that my confidence level was still here only, not here. Nothing beyond this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like so sure that this would happen, and yet I didn't trust myself enough to let it ride out through the noise. Yeah.
I was happy with 10 pips, but I would have been happier if it continued.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, so now I will just wait for some new support to form to see if we can continue up.
Do you think it might retest 140, 480 before it continues up?
This resistance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it might.
Yeah.
Because this was so strong, look, with so many rejections on the 30 and the 1. So it's bound to come back and do a test.
Yeah.
Let's see how it behaves.
Yeah.
Drawing time for me.
This could be an impulse entry though. Yeah. I'm thinking price close bearish right now. The next candle could potentially break the high. That could be a possible entry.
You want to impulse entry a high?
So is this on the 30 minute?
Yes.
Yeah. So I've seen where price would, like right now, how it has a strong bullish candle, and then the next candle where it closes like a small bearish candle. And then there's that next candle comes in as a continuation. And I think that's where you can get a nice impulse entry on the, like at the break of the high of the bearish candle.
Oh, of the bearish candle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant this one. Yeah. If it's this one, then I would say no. You have to wait for the new support to be formed first.
No. Nope. We just got caught doing that. So.
Yeah. Dre, I haven't tried the FTMO challenge yet, but I'm looking to go and test it.
Yeah, you should.
Tika, why would I catch the shot back down? This is bullish. Yeah. You are thinking that it will come back in?
I think the good trade would be if GA comes back and form a support at 500.
Yeah.
Did I say GA?
Yes. But no, it's okay. I got you. We got it.
GJ, sorry, I'm looking at two charts at the same time.
You said 140, 500. I don't think GA has 140, 500.
Yeah, no.
Don't enter on the wrong chart, yeah. Okay, imagine you made the analysis, you executed on the wrong pair. Oh my god. Pain.
No, GA is good. GA is good. I just secured a few pips. Phone like it.
Right IG and left IG. His eyes would then be spread out. Would we wait for a retest then? Huh? Do we wait for a retest and enter after a high is broken? 30 minutes time frame. Chris, I think you're talking about this high being broken, right? Your choice. I would wait for solid support to be formed. So if you guys are taking an impulse entry now, just know that I think the volume is not really there anymore. I only take impulse entries at London Open when there's the most volume. Other than that, no, I don't, because the momentum is gone.
I've got a strong feeling it's gonna come back.
Same.
It's gonna come back, form a support, and then go up.
Yeah. Even if you take an impulse entry now, let's say, so the previous resistance is here, right? So if I look at the previous resistance is here. So if we look at the 15, do you then have enough range or proper risk reward? So this is what, 12? And your stop loss is 12. Yucks. To me, that's a yucks trade. I'm not gonna take it. You enter impulse on top. Here at the high, stop loss below this wick for 15 pips. Your first area of concern, 9 pips away. Gross. I wouldn't. I would let a support form. Fill the card, you just manage to answer your own question. So if the range is too small, do you really want to squeeze in a trade? If you think that it's worth the risk, then take it. For me, this range is just too tight for me to take a trade, and it's not worth my money, so I didn't take it. I would rather trade above. This range is a bit bigger. Tical. I am not sure whether you're trolling me again. It's on the screen. When is Raja on? Let me call him and check. Bye, Matt. Bye, Julian. Why are the words too small? Hang on. 15. Change the resolution. Oh, wait. Let me see. Let me see if I can change it. I can't change it. Anyway, this is the 15.
GJ is not stopping for anyone.
I know, GJ is laughing at us. Yeah, man. Oh wells. It's because the Japanese news is just not good. I'm just wondering how come the VP Pence is awake at this time. Isn't it like 4 a.m?
He's an early riser.
Oh, swimmers, welcome to the Zoom. Merkel is speaking? Where? Excuse me.
Honestly, man, all around the world, these lockdowns are happening.
Yeah.
I don't know what was countries doing before. I mean, I understand New Zealand is a very small country, but still we have many businesses, thousands, millions of businesses here, and everybody just got together, and our Prime Minister said, look, we need to, protect our people, and this is what we have to do. We're gonna 4 stages of lockdown. We're gonna go right away, and people just followed it by heart.
Yeah.
2 months and
done, right? Same.
Hold on.
Same as us. Same as us.
I mean, I don't really understand. People have come up with this analogy, oh, now the governments are trying to lock you down from this and that. Oh, guys, governments are trying to protect you. I mean, if you want to die, go die.
Yeah, that's why. They're just dragging out longer than it should have. I mean, it's very obvious. Just look at a few countries that took action, that took very decisive action very early. They're done.
Yeah.
We're like, look at us in Singapore, like, we're done. We're done with it. Yes, we still wear masks. Yes, we don't have like 100% free reign, but we can go out. We can hang out in groups. Which other country can do that apart from New Zealand? I don't know. Not even Australia is fully open. So I think sometimes you just gotta suck it up.
Yeah.
Oh really? Qantas doesn't allow people to. They kind of force you to take the vaccine. Oh, did they buy shares in Pfizer?
There's another thing. People have to get tested 3 days before the flight, which I believe is a bit stupid because you can contract COVID after the test as well. So
yeah.
Oh no, sorry. That rule is New Zealand has made that rule. So if people coming from Australia, I think. And we're going to open the islands. So from March, we can go to the islands that are around New Zealand.
Wow.
Cook Islands, Samoa, Tonga, Fiji. Beautiful. Heaven.
Can foreigners come in?
No.
No, right? Just the inbound travel.
Yeah. So, I mean, people from New Zealand, I think we can just go.
At least your country is big enough to travel around. I've traveled all around my country. I'm bored. I'm so bored. I did it in a weekend. I'm bored.
New Zealand, I mean, if you want to travel, it's really big, especially there's lots of hikes because there's just mountains everywhere. So if you don't mind doing the hikes and stuff, it's heaven. Because you get to the places where nobody can. I mean, you can't get there by any other means of transport unless and until you're a multi-millionaire, take a helicopter.
Yeah. But New Zealand is kind of nice for slow travel. I wouldn't mind doing a month in like South Island, a month in North Island. No, it's fine for me.
Yep. I mean, you'll find that people are very relaxed. Most of the people are really outgoing, especially the Kiwis. So, for example, today I went flying. What is it called? Posted on my Insta as well. I forgot. So one of my colleagues, he does that, jumps off the cliff with the parachute on and everything.
Oh, it's a daredevil.
I think what it's called.
Cliff jumping. No, I don't know.
Not cliff jumping. No, it's paragliding.
Paragliding. Yeah, skydiving is from a plane.
Yeah.
Paragliding, you just literally carry the damn thing and then you run off a cliff. It's paragliding / suicide.
No, not at all. I used to think that as well. I mean, he's been.
Nah, it's not. It's suicide if you don't open your chute.
No, so the paragliding, the whole big chute is open already. So you just pull the strings.
Oh.
Air goes inside and go. And
isn't it really tough to run with that chute? Like
you don't have to run it. You don't have to run.
Oh.
You just go on top of the cliff and just spread it out, pull the strings, and it just lifts up on its own, and it's so strong it'll just take you up in the air.
Oh, we are basically catching the wind.
Yeah, you just have to. It was so awesome. I'm gonna do it now. But I'm gonna go to that paragliding school. And I think it costs about 8,000 New Zealand dollars, 17 days, and then they also give you a new chute with it.
Oh.
Just start doing it.
Anyway, you can reuse the chute, right? You just have to pack it.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's not. They are very expensive.
Just thinking about packing my chute. Oh my god, forget it.
Very easy.
Really?
Yeah, I saw him doing that today. It's like really rough packing. You just fold it. And yeah,
it's like rolling a giant blanket.
Yeah, exactly like that.
Janet, yes, we took the longs way earlier pre-London Open. So we took the longs here. Where is it? Over here. I took the longs here when this support formed. So on this candle, it looks like it didn't close above the resistance, but on my broker it closed. So I took it when it made a tiny wick at first and then it flipped bullish. I took the entry going up. So by right, I should have left it, as this was my first structure to be filled, but I micromanaged it and I got closed out at break even on the first one. And then the second entry, let's not remind me. Yeah. After that, the second entry had a lot of news in between, so it was very choppy, so I cut the second entry.
And now it's still going up.
Don't remind me. Yeah, a few of us caught the longs actually, but we got caught in this area here. This was so nasty. Yeah, even on at London Open, so we gave it another shot at London Open. On the 15-minute, this candle here did a wick, broke the high, went up a little bit and then came down and got our stops, and then look at it now. Yeah, so GJ wasn't very fun today.
So in such a situation, are we just gonna wait for a retracement, wait for it to come down and go up again?
Yeah. Yep.
Time permitting.
Yeah. Because right now it's just pushing. There's no proper area I can take a trade anyway. Like I wanted price when it broke this. When it broke above 140,500, then it came down. I wanted it to come down retest, but it didn't form a proper support on the lower time frame. So if we look at the 15, nothing. Just did a wick and then it flipped bullish. By then, I didn't have enough range, because if I was entering, if you took an impulse entry here, your stop loss here, your first area of concern is here, which is a shitty risk reward. So no entry for me.
Al, how long will it take you to drive all around Singapore?
As in literally all around?
Yeah.
Without like stopping at any of the attractions, right? If I were to drive really slowly, half a day. And that's pushing it.
God.
That's pushing it, yeah. I think I've been done in like 2-3 hours max.
That's good.
No, it's not good. It's so small. Imagine a population of 6 million.
Yeah, I know. Well, we are only 4 million back home.
Yeah, but you guys are bigger than us, I think.
Yeah, we are bigger than you.
Yeah.
And where's back home, Asa?
Lebanon.
How big is Lebanon? Let's see.
It's not that big.
I like your flag. It's a Christmas tree.
Thank you. It's a cedar tree.
It is, right? It's a Christmas tree, right?
Well, yeah, they use it as a Christmas tree back home as well, but they call it the cedar tree.
Oh. Why do they have it? Do you guys have a lot of these trees there?
Yeah, everywhere.
Okay. Why do we even have a car? I can walk everywhere because I'm lazy. It's too hot, man. No. It's too damn hot.
You can melt.
Let's see. It is 10,452. How big is Singapore? Doesn't even have this.
Just compare.
Look at this. We are missing numbers. It's 3 digits.
Oh my god.
And this is 5. We're missing numbers.
But property is very expensive in Singapore, isn't it?
Yeah, because we're so small. That's why.
Hmm.
No, Martin is 1 hour. You must drive around the island. You cannot go from Bedok to Jurong. You must go 1 round. So 3 hours, I think. Slowly drive from Tuas. Drive literally the circumference of the island.
So it will take you roughly around how long to get to Malaysia if you're driving?
From my house?
Yeah.
To enter Malaysia, Malaysia's here. So within 40 minutes I can get.
Yeah, I was gonna say 40-45 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why I don't count going to Malaysia as going overseas.
No, it's almost the same country, isn't it?
Yeah. I need to. Thailand, okay, I'll count it as going overseas. Malaysia, no. Singapore is amazing. Used to backpack Asia. Yeah, but we're so expensive. But it's a nice place where you can just fly in here and hop around to the other neighboring countries. Because we have flights to all of them. So.
You don't have to get a visa or anything to get into Malaysia, do you?
No.
No, they have one of the best passports.
Yeah. I love my passport. Really, we don't really need visas. We barely need visas to go anywhere.
Oh, that's like New Zealand passport.
Yeah. See? This is what happens when you're friendly with everybody. Try having a Chinese passport.
Nightmare.
Nightmare.
Well, I need a visa to the toilet.
Did they lose a plane full of people over there? Yes, Malaysia lost a plane full of people.
Last time.
Yeah, last time.
That's very old news.
Yeah. Never even found the plane. How can a plane disappear?
Exactly.
They found the debris.
Yeah, but where's the plane? It's bits and pieces. Where's the rest of it?
Must have sunk.
He went into that whatever Mariana Trench.
Yeah, the way it fell in the water, boom, it would have scattered.
Yeah, but if it you're saying that it exploded when it hit the water. Why if it exploded in mid-air and then people just like flew everywhere? Or the plane just wow.
Yeah, I think I think in the next few years, some fishing charter or something, they're gonna see, oh wow, we can see something really big in our ship.
Oh damn.
Oh, that's the plane that was sunk.
Oh my god.
Sad, it was very sad. I remember that time.
Yeah.
I was so scared to travel.
No, it's not Air Asia, Andy.
Falling out of the sky, left, right, and center. I think there were 3 or 4 at the same time.
Yeah. It's not Air Asia, it's Malaysian Airlines. It's their national carrier.
Imagine when you're doing it for a living and then you hear the news.
Damn, man.
I mean, it's horrible.
Yeah.
I spoke to a pilot once. He said it's kind of impossible for the plane to crash out of sky for no reason. Like, even if there's any technical issues,
yeah,
it doesn't happen. And he's like, it's quite common to fly with technical issues, apparently.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother was a pilot. He said yes, it's true.
Yeah. And the planes are equipped to fix most of the problems itself.
Yeah.
Like they have all these computers.
Yeah.
A plane can fly with one engine. It doesn't need to have the 2 engines on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, everything is dangerous if you think about it. You could cross the road and die.
That's true.
Or you might get eaten by sheep.
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, because sheep don't eat meat. So you're quite safe there in New Zealand.
Yes.
Hey, what if it's a zombie?
There's nothing in the bush that can kill you. And not even a single spider, nothing.
The snake?
No snakes, no.
Really?
We have lots of spiders, but they're like small, tiny ones. It's not like Australia that we've got tarantulas and stuff. No. Nothing, absolutely nothing here that can kill you.
This is why New Zealand is safe.
Oh, it's a very safe country.
Oh, I thought you were talking about Australia. I was gonna be like, what? That's
No,
not what I
Manish is in New Zealand.
No, man. Australia is like everything out there is gonna kill you.
yeah, exactly. That's the great outback.
Imagine we were still in this fight.
Can't hear you, Kevin.
Oh, hey, bro, stop trolling.
Ready? I'm serious.
Imagine if we were still in this fight.
We still can't hear you. I'm just kidding. Why you
No,
gotta...
but I can't hear Kevin. The only things I hear is imagine if.
No, he said imagine if we were still in this trade.
Oh.
Yeah. Sadness.
So at least someone's talking about
technical difficulties.
At least we don't hear your fan.
Hello.
It is.
Hey,
No,
please tell
we
me you guys
didn't.
caught that.
No, we didn't.
Oh, let down.
No, bro, we
Okay.
did. Don't remind us, man. We did. And
Ace was
then
just here to troll.
yeah, and then it did us nasty, and then it continued.
What do you mean? Do you guys catch it or no?
We
It
did.
did us nasty. We just said that.
Yeah.
Like,
we-
how do you mean?
It played us.
like this.
Just like how GJ plays with hearts.
The
Can you
origin-
please show me?
We entered impulse, came back, hit our stop loss,
Hmm.
and then came back again
And then went up.
to push back.
Yeah. So
Was
the
it spread that took you guys out or what?
no,
No.
it just came back even deeper. So the first entry was here. So first entry was pre-London. It
Okay.
closed and then it pushed up. But there was a lot of minor news. No, not minor news. But there was a lot of choppiness before that. See this range before London opened.
Okay.
Then after that, this candle here. We took it when it broke the
Fair
high.
enough.
And then look at this stupid wick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It was
okay, yeah.
aggressive stop loss.
Yeah.
So,
And it got us and then boom. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah,
I think it
these
would have been
moves usually
nicer
do.
if we entered from the higher time frame.
Yeah, the 1 hour.
Got sidetracked by the lower time frame, but it was a good entry.
Yeah.
The first one.
Yeah, that's why I was looking at the... That's why just now when I was reviewing my 1 hour treasure, I just left it and not keep touching it.
Yeah.
Because I was looking at this from the 4 hour, I was like, oh, it's definitely going up.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's
But
not
how
even
many pips did
retracing.
you get? Did you get up to 10 pips?
It pushed for
No.
that 10 to 12, the first move, yes. But
Oh, the
my
first move?
my very first move, so what happened was on the very first move, right?
Partials?
No, that was a stupid
Okay.
thing. Because I was already anticipating that this candle will hit. Right? So what I wanted was 80% off here, which I should have just stuck to it despite all this noise. Because I know pre-London there is noise. I got frightened and then I cut it. I didn't stick to my guns. So when this candle, when it pushed all the way up, right, it hit like 12-13 pips. So if you close 10, you would have been able to get it. So I closed when it reached my 1 hour, which was about 11 pips, and then it came back and stopped me at break even.
Yeah, I think you needed a more conservative stop.
No, I needed to leave it alone. Because this was a 1 hour entry. I wasn't going to keep picking at it while it was going up when the original aim was to fill this clean candle. You know what I mean?
Wait, I
Good
thought you're not
entry,
trading.
bad
You
management.
paper trade, right?
Yeah. But still, it's not fun when I lost my paper trade.
Yeah, I get what you mean. I was just trying to comfort you.
Bro, nah. The comfort is in me understanding what I could have done better. I don't feel shitty about it. I just like, oh man, I could have done better. Because the guys that were on with me just now, we were watching and we were discussing the entry also. It was just really, really, really choppy here. It wasn't fun at all, man.
Hey, Manish.
Yo.
Are your spotlights very hot?
Which spotlight?
Your lights.
Oh, okay. Hang on.
You seem to be wearing a hat inside.
Oh, yes, because the light is right above my head and just...
Yeah, it could get pretty hot, eh? You need those warm color lamps.
Warm whites, warm whites.
Yeah. You're gonna take a re-entry on this 15th?
No.
I think it will be a pullback. Because is that counted as a rejection candle?
This bearish one?
This one, yeah.
Yeah. Let's... If this candle breaks, forms support and breaks the previous high, right? Then it's a higher likelihood they will go up. But now that we're coming into the twilight zone, I'm not touching it. Plus, I already took losses in London. Personally, I wouldn't touch it till New York.
It's gonna range here now.
Yeah.
Just like it did yesterday, very similar.
No, I don't think in New York you will reverse. I just have more volume to trade more easily in New York. It's not about it reversing. I don't want to predict what it's gonna do. I just will, because I'm looking at 141 as the final destination for this move up. Because everything before it is just noise.
Should do a retest.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I think New York will be the push up. Pre-New York.
Yeah. My personal rule of thumb is if I lost twice in a session, I'm not going to touch it anymore. Technically, I won't even trade anymore. But I'm just going to stay on the charts.
That's why no one will remember your name.
Yeah. Nah, Nick, I'm not even live this week. 1 cent, 10 cent doesn't make a difference to me. I'm not live. The only reason why I'm on the charts now, other than to answer questions, is just I'm just trying to get a feel for the market again. How cold does New Zealand get? In during winter. That's June, right?
Like 3-4 degrees.
That doesn't really snow, right? I mean, don't talk about the mountains.
Yeah, Auckland, Wellington doesn't snow.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, a lot of places doesn't snow except for the mountains. Yeah, as you said.
When would be the best time to travel to
Summer.
New Zealand when there's fewer people? I hate crowds. I hate it. I will go during off peak.
Don't worry about the crowd. You're coming from Singapore. I think even our busiest time, you'll find that there's hardly any people, isn't it, Ace?
No, but if I'm going, because I definitely would visit like certain attractions, right? Can you imagine I go to like Milford Sound and then, oh my god, bus loads of China tourists.
No, go to Queenstown. You like it there. It's very nice views.
Queenstown. Should I start there?
Stop in New Zealand. I mean Auckland.
Stop in Auckland. Come see us. We'll take you around.
Let's see. Where should I start?
Auckland.
Auckland, yeah, because international airport's there.
Go up, North Island. Yeah.
Huh? There's no international airport. Isn't there one in Christchurch?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Queenstown's the bottom, so you start at the top. You come to Auckland first. You meet us, then you'll be on your way.
Wow, bro.
So when you go on your trip, then when you want to leave New Zealand again, you go back to Auckland.
Oh my god.
You know what I mean?
That's so far. Wait, would there be
photos?
Would there be stuff to see? Okay, if I go like this, would there be stuff to see like this? If I go like this, as a loop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. I was planning a motorbike trip these holidays. Around North, South Island, everywhere.
Okay, wait.
Friend, so we couldn't really do it. It was a 9-day trip.
Damn, I want to do that. But what license do you need to do it? You guys only have one motorcycle license, right?
Yeah.
We have 3. Yeah, so it's a bit irritating. Because we break our licenses into like CC. So it's a bit stupid. Like I can ride up to a 400cc bike. So I don't know if you guys will allow rental that way.
For us, it's not so much about CC, it's about the horsepower. So you can have a 1000cc bike, but if the horsepower is about 60 horsepower, 40 something, yeah, you can ride it because the bike's not gonna go fast.
True. I don't even think my bike has a lot of horsepower. Let's see.
What bike do you have?
This one.
Ace, do you ride motorbike?
No, I don't.
Here, I have this one.
I'm afraid like I get into an accident with it.
Where's the horsepower on this?
Then you'll have a feel of for a car you get in an accident, it's like airbags. For a motorbike, you're the airbag.
Yeah, it's true. But bro, it's a whole different feeling. You cannot understand it. It's dangerous. I agree. It's dangerous, but it's a different feeling. But in New Zealand, what am I gonna bang into a sheep?
Man, you sound like a drug addict right there. It's a different feeling.
It's a different feeling.
You won't understand.
Yeah, you really won't. I've always wanted to do it. Like I wanted to go and like ride around like some mountainous area.
You have a bike suit or whatever, right, to keep you safe?
Yeah, of course.
There's this suit where there's this gel in it and it's used in a motorcycle gear. As soon as it comes in contact with a kinetic energy, it just turns solid to protect you.
Yeah, then you'll start boing boing boing, you bounce around. I saw the video on it. What's my horsepower? Do you see it? Manish? Clearly I don't understand all this shit.
Engine, look at the engine. That's a 2-cylinder. Yeah, 46 horsepower.
Oh, then I'm more than fine. No, this is the older model though. But I think it should be the same.
It's not gonna change much.
Yeah, it's not gonna change much. Oh, okay.
So I'm riding Aprilia Shiva 900 at the moment.
Yeah.
But I've had Honda CBR 1000, Yamaha R1s.
So, then I would definitely be able to ride a bike in your country.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Motorcycle rental. Let's see how much it costs.
You can rent it out.
Yeah. Rent. Let's see. Ooh, me likey. I always wanted to ride a Triumph bike.
Oh, beautiful. My friend's got it. Just amazing. He's got speed triple.
Yeah.
That is a beautiful bike.
Yes, the Triumphs are, oh my god. Love.
Yeah, the street. I didn't have the street triple, I had the Daytona 675.
Oh my god.
Got stolen, but oh my god.
Oh my god. Damn.
Piece of art, those bikes.
Yeah.
Light on the corners, just oh mate.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
I'm more of a cafe racer kind. Which their cafe racers are so nice. They're so vintage. Where's their website?
One day, once COVID's gone, get on the road again.
Technically you can't ride around. Oh my god, I got Triumph the bra.
Yeah, with 2 kids at the moment, I'm not going nowhere.
Oh no, you're not. Wow, look at this. I like this. The Bonneville here. The Bonneville is really nice. But it's a selfish bike. My only fear is when I turn corners, I think I'll scrape the bottom of my bike and then it will be ow.
Oh, that looks nice.
Because when my friend rode the Harley,
that looks bad boy.
yeah, when he turned the corners, he always scraped the side of his bike. So he was like, okay.
This one?
No, when he had the Harley, but it was equally low. So every time he turned, he always scraped it.
Does look cool.
Yeah, it's vintage.
How much is it?
I don't know if this is Singapore price. I think this might be. Oh, this is US.
Damn.
13? But this one is. Wait, let me find the exact model. Anyway, guys, I'm just chilling. There's nothing now. I'm gonna take trades only nearer to New York.
Look at speed triple.
Triumph?
Yeah.
Speed triple. Oh, me likey. Oh, it looks like it has the housefly eyes.
Yeah. It is such a beautiful bike. If you get a chance, just take a ride on this bike.
Oh, I need to upgrade my license. Damn it. Singapore sucks. Yeah, I need to upgrade my license. Wow, look at this, man. This is sick. I wonder how much this is. Oh, 16.
I've ridden that RS model. I'm probably gonna upgrade this year onto this one.
Where? The RS?
Yeah.
Where is it? Truxton RS?
There you go, Thruston RX in the modern classics.
Wow. This is the ultimate cafe racer. But it looks a bit uncomfortable though. Like the handlebar is a bit short. Do you think so?
I don't like these bikes.
I thought you said you wanted to buy this?
No. No.
Oh, wrong RS. Sorry, my bad.
The speed triple RS.
Oh, my bad. Where is it?
Where did it go?
I have no idea what I clicked.
It must be on top. Must be on top. Must be on top.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, the far right. Far right. Right. The last spike, speed triple. Yes, not street triple. Yeah.
This one.
RS model.
Configure. Come, Manish. Let's make your dreams come true. Would you get this color? Or would you get the red?
Either white or complete black.
Yeah. This is no.
I don't like the graphic on it.
No. I don't like the colors on it. Let's see. How do I change the color?
On your right,
Oh.
choose your option.
My face was blocking. Not that nice. The stickers are a bit ugly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Their
design is not nice.
If you put that RS stickers, the red ones, on a black bike, they look really nice.
Yeah. Did they use their lights used to be round, right? The headlights.
I don't remember. Personally, I don't like the headlights. I think they are the most ugliest.
Yes, they are. They are.
But technology-wise, this bike is awesome. It is so awesome.
They look like housefly eyes. Let's see. How about getting a Ducati? The Ducati is a bit overpriced.
All my friends who ever had Ducati, they were just sick of it. They literally just bought the brand. The bike was. I think it's the perfect bike in a country which is really, really cold, because when you sit on the bike, the exhaust system, there's this like right at your crouch.
Oh my god.
Like, really hot air comes out of it, and you can't. If you go on a long ride, you just can't go on Ducati.
That's how you ruin Father's Day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me see. I don't want to do a tour. I just want your bike. It closed 30 minutes on the daily line. Now I need to wait for 30 minutes to close above the line, or is there another way to get in? I don't like how these two candles now. So if we zoom in a bit more and look at this chunk here, this is going to range. All the wicks, none of them broke, so I'm not touching this until it breaks out of this range that it is in. It's starting to form a range on the 15, so it might just go like this. So I would wait for volume to kick in. So if anyone is bored now, waiting, go to the gym, do something. That's why I'm looking at other things, because I don't want to stare at the charts and be induced into a trade when I know it's going to range. Cam M spider bike, what's that? Oh my god, I saw people riding this in Singapore. It's so dumb. They couldn't even cut through traffic. They were like a car and they were sitting under the sun in this. It looks very nice. It looks interesting, but it's hot AF. Wow, this is disgusting. Look at this guy's bike. Yucks. This is like driving a car without cover. No.
Like people who want to be a Batman.
Yeah, yeah. But defeats the purpose of riding a bike, I think. You can cut in California. Yeah, well, a lot smaller here, so it doesn't work here. But I've seen people with these bikes. They look so funny. There's a gang of them in the east coast of Singapore. They have like this one. It's got Cam M Spider bike. I think Spider is the model.
Looks kind of cool.
It does. If your roads have space, it does. Or if your roads have no space, then you'll just be baking under the sun.
Try and read the brand name.
Where? Which one?
Go all the way on the top. See on the logo?
Oh, damn.
Ace, you still there?
Yeah. Well, what's up?
Let's see if Al can read the brand name on
Where?
the logo.
Yeah.
You read it, okay? Let Al read it first.
Oh my god, I'm going to butcher this name. If it's someone who is famous and respected, I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. Go for it.
I think it's...
He's gonna say it wrong.
Of course, everybody says strong.
Oh, then I don't want to pronounce it anymore.
No.
If I read it word for word, it's going to be wrong, right? If I read it like how I read an English word. Because if you read it like how you read an English word, it's going to be like T.Y. Punamu, which I think is wrong. It sounds like some Aboriginal name.
So Maori, it's Maori. Those are the natives, New Zealand, right?
What's T.E.? Te.
Okay. Te Waiponamu. Did I say it right, guys?
What do you say?
Te Waiponamu.
It should be T5 Ponamu.
5?
T5. T5.
T5?
Yeah,
Oh,
W
so
is like
W is
pronounced
like
differently.
F?
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay, look.
Who's this
W
person?
wrong.
A. Look for WHA.
Oh, it's a place. WHA?
NGA. REI.
NGAREI. Wait, I don't think I need the T.
Not T. Remove the T.
Shit.
WW.
Wow.
now,
how the
how
hell
would
do I
you-
pronounce this?
Hungary.
Whangarei.
Hungary?
Whangarei. F word.
Oh, so
Hungary.
all the W's are
Yeah.
F's. Do they not have F's in their dictionary?
Don't know the longest street name in the world.
Is it New Zealand?
Yeah.
Holy! How the hell do you pronounce this?
Okay, now can you say that?
Oh shit! No, it looks like someone went ham on the keyboard and like there's your name.
Hey, Ace, can you say it? Ace have been to school in New Zealand, so you should be able to see it. Say it.
No, I'm not even gonna attempt it.
So you guys have to study their language.
It's Tamata Whakatangi. Just so long.
It's so long. He got till here.
The mud.
Tangi hanga kawe otu tamaite tori poka kapik oringa hoa nuku poku fai. It goes on, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it's not even the end.
Yeah.
Why would they have such a long name?
It doesn't end with a W. So.
Oh, is this one? I think. No, it's not.
Enua Kitao no Ta something Tahu.
So what else doesn't sound right? Like W sounds like F, and then what else in the alphabet?
That's it.
Oh. Damn. Why they gotta do that? Look at this. Look at the sign. Ooh, world's longest sign. Hawke's Bay. Do the Maoris have special privileges in New Zealand? It's like the Malays in Singapore have special privilege.
They do.
Like what?
Special seats in the parliament, special quotas for kids, special quotas for a lot of other things.
So they get priority, right?
Groups, a lot of things, yeah.
Mm. The Tiger 800 looks nice. I think the Triumphs are quite warm as well. Cannot click.
They are nice. Hey, if you look at GJ on 30-minute, it's kind of forming resistance at 140.800.
Yep.
Let's just say in 30-minute, it's closes like this or a bit below. Would you take an impulse entry for shorts?
No. No. This timing is range timing. Yeah. Because the thing is, there was a very strong bullish move. So if you want to short that big move up, right, it's gonna be tough, I think. Plus on the higher time frame is bullish. It's been bullish since Monday. And now it finally broke out of that consolidation on the 4-hour candle. This is so strong. Shorting this candle, I think, is very dangerous. Because this was, remember just now you were saying, it's just like a big move is expected to happen because this thing consolidated so hard. And then there you go, you got it. Yeah, so now I don't think it'll come back in. Jack, impulse moves need volume. That's the #1 rule of an impulse move. So if you don't have volume, like now, it's very clear that there's no volume. You think an impulse move is going to chop you. Because with impulse entries, the stop losses are very tight. Let's say you take an impulse entry when it breaks this high, your stop loss would be here. And because of the lack of volume, either you get chopped around inside or it hits your stop with a wick and then continues chopping. So you can do it. But the basic premise of the impulse entry is it has to be with momentum. There is no momentum now. So impulse entries are not the go-to for everything, guys. Don't keep wanting to take an impulse entry. It sounds like something fancy, but don't. I think Raja has created a bad name for impulse entries. He made everyone excited because he has so much success with it. But they forget that Raja does it when there's volume. Wait, Manish, just now did you say that you have 2 bikes now?
I've only got one.
Oh.
I've had one after another. I've never had 2 bikes at the same time.
Oh, okay, okay.
Different bikes.
Yeah. If you're a rider, you would change your bike quite often.
Yeah, I've had a couple of accidents as well.
Same.
So one of the bikes, Honda CBR 1000, I just was completely written off.
Oh man. What, did you skid? Or someone hit you?
Yeah, actually what happened was we were just on a as soon as we turned, I tried to go up the gear.
Oh shit.
The gear was stuck. So I was doing about 190 or 100.
Yeah.
It was outside Auckland, so it was 100 zone. And I took a turn, it was countryside. I tried to go up the gear on number 4. But I think the gear got stuck. So I could hear this
grinding sound.
Yeah, noise, and I just quickly I just tried to go back on number 3, and I think I pressed it really hard and went to number 2. I left the clutch.
Oh, fly.
It got locked and just scared.
Yep. Oh no, I should have clutched in, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's panic. It's like panic thoughts.
Yeah. That was panic.
It was panic thoughts. So you just do whatever instinctively, but the technical right thing to do, I think, should have been to clutch in.
I was trying to save my gearbox.
Yeah, I think you were. But nope. And then, the whole bike gone. Yeah. Maybe it's because you didn't oil it enough.
Oh, no. Bike was in top-notch condition.
Oh.
Me and my crew, we keep our bikes in a very good position.
But because you were riding it for a while already, right? Might have needed a top up. Scary. Is this price per day or is it for... Somehow I feel like if you rent it for this range, you just need to pay 359. Whoa, that's so cheap. But Manish, I thought you said you were like... Were you the one that said you had a fear of heights? No, I don't think it was you. Someone said they had a fear of heights as they aged. I have a fear of heights now.
That's okay. As long as I don't fall.
Have you... Huh?
Scared of falling from a high place. That's all.
Who's falling from a high place?
Yeah.
It's only falling, but if you go up there, like you are able to go up, right?
Oh man, I'm in a high place, I'm telling you.
Yeah, you sound high, bro.
Dude.
Manish, when are you gonna invite me over?
I'm over, man, anytime.
Oh, do you live alone?
I will be alone again from end of January.
Okay. Yeah, but maybe invite me over then, so your daughter, like, won't be there. It's just not good to pick up new habits. Smoking habits. Your daughter will smell it and like all of a sudden she's like, "Daddy, I don't feel so good."
I think the first place I probably can travel to is New Zealand, I think. I wanted to go to Europe, but I think Europe is way, way, way out of the picture. I think probably 2022.
And this whole thing is finished, half the population is probably...
Yeah, man.
No place would be busy anymore. We're gonna start from scratch. Like that Avengers movie, you know, the guy who comes in, what was his name?
Oh.
Very big guy, and he goes like, boom.
The purple dude.
Half the population is gone.
Yeah. Is someone
What?
Karen on YouTube said Ace has a really good voice to read audiobooks. Okay. Come Ace, record an audiobook. Sell your voice.
Once upon a time.
Tell yourself.
Sell your voice. What books are you
Sad
reading
though,
now?
because I would talk to my dad and he would fall asleep.
Oh no, that's not good. That's not a good voice to have for an audiobook. No, but it's fine. Because with audiobooks, we can speed you up.
Because I've got a very bassy voice.
Yeah.
So when I talk to you, it sounds like I'm talking to like a book or something. Like you're falling asleep.
Ace will put us all to sleep. Read Harry Potter to us.
Seriously?
No. That was the first book that came off the top of my head.
Love to sing.
I would say sing, but not now. You can sing later. when I turn off the YouTube
You don't like me to
stream.
sing, what are you on about?
No, I don't like you to sing when YouTube is on.
Yeah. I don't really feel like I want to either. You know, trade.
There's a very nice video on 100% Pure New Zealand, how New Zealand was born pretty much.
Oh, really?
See if you can find that. But, are you able to play it on YouTube while doing live stream?
I'll play on the other screen. You can just let me know which video it is.
I'll send you the link.
Okay. New Zealand is just really, really pretty. I feel like if I want to go to Canada, I need to go to New Zealand first. And prep myself.
Canada is huge.
Yeah. Because Canada is so far, oh my god. Okay, be right back.
I think Uncle Ted should be a preacher. What do you think, Manish?
Say that again?
I said Uncle Ted should be a preacher.
Should be a preacher.
Yeah.
Why?
It's like the voice of the people. Telling everyone to get prepared, grow their own food.
I mean, it's hard for me to understand the analogy. I was discussing this with Al before.
But
I mean, governments are putting lockdowns.
mm-hmm.
So Ace is saying that Uncle Ted should be a preacher, as he's asking everyone to grow their own food and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, when it comes to trading, I think he's awesome, top of the top. But yeah, I do follow him, and I see those posts about grow your own food, be self-sustainable.
What Manish is saying is that whatever Ted is talking about is very subjective.
It is.
Yeah.
It is subjective, yeah.
Oh, GJ's still going.
Yeah, it's a bullish trend. Like I learned my lesson because last time, right, I used to like wait for a 30-minute close at this time, bearish, and then I sell it. I learned my lesson because I took too many losses.
I see the one you're talking about. You're talking about this wick over here, right?
Huh? For my longs?
Yeah, for longs. I think this would stop a lot of people out.
Yeah.
Because people usually put their stops just right below this candle here.
No. It's this one. It was this one when we entered. Because you had to break this one. Yeah. Yeah, but I wouldn't have gotten stopped out on the original stop because mine was here. Which was the best place to put your stop. You shouldn't even put it above the zone. You don't even have your support protecting the stop loss. It doesn't make sense. I moved it, yes.
Okay.
That's why that was stupid. No.
Check out the video I've just posted on the chat. But this video was made about 11 years ago on official New Zealand tourism website.
One second. Let's see. It's on how New Zealand started.
Yeah, pretty much how the New Zealand was born.
The first part I thought was a whale.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go off. I'll come back later for New York.
Bye.
You be here?
Hey,
yeah, the streams are running. The Zoom is going to be on like throughout. So
yes,
yeah.
Manish.
The New York session, is it about 1 a.m. over our time or 1:30?
Not 12:30.
12:30.
Yeah, Roger will be on at 12:30.
No, New York Open, right?
Oh, New York Open should be 12:30, shouldn't we? Yeah, 12:30.
Wait, are you talking about the North American Open or the Stock Exchange opening?
Should be 1:30, 1:30.
1:30, man. That's what I was thinking about.
Yeah, 1:30.
It's 2 a.m. actually.
Okay.
The currency opens first.
Yeah, but
then the stock.
usually you can treat the pre-New York volume. 12:30. It's always a move there.
See you, man. Have a good rest.
If you need the link, if you're coming in earlier, Ace, and you need the link, then just DM me on Slack.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, but it should be the same link.
Alright. Bye.
Yeah, the video would definitely get me dinged on YouTube. I'm so glad I didn't play it.
It's nice, right?
Yeah. The song alone is gonna get me dinged.
Song alone is?
The song alone is gonna get me copyrighted.
Hell, you traded GA in past, right?
Yeah, long time ago. 3 years back.
You didn't like it?
Expensive. I traded GAGN. I liked it. It moved so nicely. Yeah. But that was when I was swinging. So I was willing to pay the spread. Now it's a bit more expensive if you ask me. Plus I can't hold too many GBP pairs. I had to make a choice.
I just sent you a GA chart.
Let's see. Yeah, GN and GA had the same breakout. See, they move the same.
Yeah, see, I'm not really sure if it's trying to make a new high or because it broke the trend line. It broke the trend line, which has been going on from last couple of days, I think.
Yeah. Oh, this is a really strong move.
Since 4th Jan.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if it's gonna go up, just creating another high and then it's gonna come down, or I'm just a bit confused. Or is it gonna come back, retest the consolidation area and then go up again?
Hang on, I'm looking at the higher time frame zones. I think it has room to go up somewhat to 176. It's fairly clean. But it made a new low. This could be... Let me see. Are you trying to short it? Or you're trying to go long?
So if it comes back, creates a support at about 74800, or retest the box, the consolidation area. If it comes in retest, then I'll buy it. But if it, yeah, I'm a little confused at the moment. According to me, it should come back, retest the box, and then it should make, yeah, then it should go up again. But if you look at the left side, it could be there's a possibility that's just making an another higher high, sorry, lower high, and then make another lower low.
To be honest, I think this might have changed. It's early in its trend cycle for sure, but I think it might have changed its direction. Because this area where price rejected, right, it was very near the weekly and daily previous lows.
Yeah.
So the fact that a 1 hour candle is able to form such a strong support and breaking through your consolidation area, right? I think the trend has changed. So I would be looking to see if price can break through to buy. I don't think it will come down.
I thought so as well. Thank you.
Yeah, because if you look at the 4 hour, right, it still has room to go up till 756 and then 76. Let me draw up the rectangles. I think you drew them up also. Oh wait, no, it's above. So like this. Here tested. Here also tested. Yeah, so in between, see my boxes? I think you have room to go up some more.
Cool.
Yeah. Once it breaks above this one here, then it's gonna go up to 76. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Because look at all the, if you look at the 4 hour, look at the wicks. It's like, it's clearly rejecting this, which is somewhere around this zone. Wait, you're muted.
So even if you go on the left side, you'll see that it has happened in past where it just bounced off this level.
Yeah.
Yep, this one.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So it tried to go lower, but no. Clearly the institutions don't want to sell it yet. They pushed it up. They let you come down, creating lower lows, letting the retail traders think that yes, the sells are valid now. No. Look at how hard they shoved you back.
Yeah.
It's definitely not. Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
So if it wants to come down here, this is a lot of pips, I think. If it comes down to your high of your consolidation, it's like 60 pips if it pulls back that deep. Yeah, but the way I'm looking at it, I think it wants to go higher. Because ignore this little tiny doji here, or hammer, or whatever you call it. Everything was bearish. So it still has some room to go to this area.
I enter long.
On GA?
Yes.
From where?
140.78. I am already.
Oh, GJ?
GJ, yeah.
Oh. Okay. Based on? Was there a support? This one?
It's support, yes, and I think he have room to go, and yeah.
Where's your stop?
Below the week.
Ah, okay. Yeah, just take note that there's very little volume now.
Previous week. 6 pips. We'll see.
As long as the stop was here, right? The pink line?
Yes.
Yeah. So, it might range for a bit because there's not much volume at the time.
7 pips. I already take a loss this morning.
Oh, you took a loss just now?
No, not now. In the morning, I don't know what hour I will.
Oh, during Asia?
London, pre-London.
Oh, okay.
It was a fake out, and I think he had volume, but it was a loss.
Same. I hit the loss also. When the candle came down, yeah. This one here. I took one. This candle here was at London Open. The one
the same.
Yeah, that candle came down a bit too deep.
Yeah. I have 10 pips stop loss, but don't was enough.
Yeah, I still hit. It's very deep.
I am 6 pips in profit. I think I will put my stop loss to break even because I don't know.
Yeah, but with the lack of the low volume now, right? If you put your, because your entry is probably where? Here? On the, here? At the body or here?
Yes.
The body?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
If I were you, I'll just give it time. Don't fiddle with it. Because it always happens. So if I bring you to yesterday's price action, right, you'll start to see that at this time, so this is like 5 p.m. my time, I bring you back to yesterday. Look at the 5 p.m. every single day. It's always ranging. Always. So see this area here? Range. So you just gotta give it time to develop. Because it's either you don't take a trade or you let it be. Because if you try to micromanage the stops, right, it will definitely hit you. Then you might as well not have entered. Yeah, but again, that's my 2 cents. If you feel uncomfortable, then obviously lock the stops.
Just I put below this week. I will feel better if I lose at least I will lose less because I don't know.
Yeah. Then why not just enter when there's volume next time? Maybe it will make you feel better. Yeah, this timing is the worst.
Good point.
Yeah. That's why we're like talking about other stuff and whatever. We're just doing other things now because this is the worst time to take trades. I always take majority of my losses at this time.
Yes.
Anyway, you texted me on Slack as well, right?
Yes. I want to ask you about the zone because cancel.
Sorry, you are breaking up. What do you say?
Yeah. I'm sorry for my.
Oh no. You disappeared. Inu, I don't hear you. If you're still talking.
You can hear me?
Oh, okay, yes. Now you're back.
I'm sorry. I say I'm sorry for my English. It's not very good.
Oh, no,
Just
it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, but you understand what I meant, right? Like, I usually just use lines because it's a lot neater. But
The same way, but I use only lower time frame, and I see have 4 hour, 1 hour. Just I will close this trade. 5 pips is okay. Bother me.
Yeah, but my 2 cents is just look at the way the candle is forming. This candle just closed, right? Look at the high, look at the low. It is higher than the previous.
Yes.
Yeah, so it should continue going up.
Yes.
It's just very slow, that's all. But if you want to close it and wait for a better timing, then
I
it's...
already closed. 700 euro is okay.
Yeah.
My account is okay, so
yeah, then
5
it's fine.
pips is okay. Yep, it goes up.
Yeah, because on the left is clean. Now it's already broke above the wick, so now this clean candles on the left.
Where do you have the next of resistance?
141.
I have an 140, 9 on 52. It's almost the same.
Yeah, I usually round my numbers up. It's just a thing. It's not a must. Yeah, but it's roughly around there.
Yeah. A lot of people do that. I see.
Yeah, because to me, in my mind, the entire thing is just a zone. So when I go near it, I know the entire area is sensitive. So that's why I don't need the number to be very precise.
I usually put my zone where the candle close, and this is it.
Yeah. Yeah.
My zone where the candle close.
See everyone.
Bye, Manish.
Bye.
Have a good rest.
Bye.
Are you still in the toilet, Alexi? What do you eat, man?
He goes up.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I said, like, there's higher highs and higher lows, so you gotta give it time, that's all. But it's okay, you can just take note of it, so next time you know.
Yeah, I don't look anymore because I become angry and...
Yeah, don't trade this time, man.
I still
test you.
Some problems. I have to solve them, you know.
Yeah. This timing it will test your patience.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will really test your patience.
You trade and New York open?
Yes.
Okay. You trade the same like me. I trade pre-London, London, pre-New York, New York, and this is it.
Yeah. I only come in when there's volume. Other than that, I don't even look at the charts. I'm like simulating on my other screen.
Yeah, I'm the same way.
Or I do other things.
Okay.
Finally done. I went and grabbed bananas, then my stomach decided to fight me.
You know why? Because you told me to eat last night.
I mean,
You told me to
didn't.
overeat last night.
It's not overeating, okay?
I ate so much before that, my god. 2 slices of bread right before sleeping. Nah.
Yeah, that should have been quite heavy right before sleeping. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Yeah, I got worms.
Go get worm tablet.
Jenna, I think you weren't around when I was explaining this to Manish. The way I see it is, if you see 174 on the weekly and the daily on GA, right? It was a previous low on the weekly and the daily. So the fact that a 1 hour candle did many rejections before to that area and then closed strong bullish, breaking out of that consolidation and breaking all these previous highs, to me, I think the trend has changed. It's just early. So right now, what I was telling him is, since this is the most recent level of resistance, price would then need to break it confirm that the trend has changed. So either way, if it doesn't do anything and stays here, I need more confirmations before I take buys or short or sells, and definitely not at this time.
That's a good point about trend changing. I think I need to understand that concept as well. Because you come in with your bias for the day, which is okay, is looking like a bearish market now. But it's so at some point in the day, the trend could potentially change.
Yeah. Because as it approaches, so notice how this is a very strong level. It's weekly/daily. It's definitely a very strong level. And then plus you have the candles making all these wicks to the bottom. So what the understanding of the candles must be there. So what these candles mean is the sellers tried to push it down. No. The buyers basically told them no, and then they pushed them back up. So they did them many times, and then the buyers finally won. So that tells me that the trend has changed, especially at these levels. So the wicks tell a story. Janet, are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so if you are, because now that I told you the trend has changed, right? So what would have happened is price did this. Okay, let me draw it out for you. So if the trend has changed, it would break out
Literally on this page.
yeah, the new area, right? Then it has to make another low and then continue up, correct? So now your job is to find out where it will pull back to. So just plop a fib. The opposing candle appeared already.
Yeah.
And see whether it will tie, what number it will tie in here. I think it should be 61.8.
So should I be plotting this fib?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Something like this.
Yeah, that's the point.
Okay, I'll see if that works.
Yeah.
I'll let you know.
Sorry, Martinez, I didn't see. Let's see. Yeah, I was actually looking at this also. So it broke. It closed slightly below support. I just didn't want to take it now because this timing is not really the time I trade gold. But I was looking at these clean candles as well. TP here. It's the same. Exact same thing. I like it. Nice catch. Nanda, I'm not trading live, not yet. And I'm not planning to take a trade till nearer to New York Open. Oh, sorry, the North American Open. Where was the stop though, Scorpio Kid? Because I know your entry was here, but where was your stop? Because all I know is at this time, if you take a trade like this, right? This is what price will always do. So I don't like this timing. So if you know that it's going to happen like this, then either don't take it or take a trade later. It's just as simple as that. Because most of the time the runner gets stopped out. So overall you would just have only like maybe half R left from your trade. Not a lot of... It's not really the best win rate if you ask me. Just save your ammo. Put the stop below the support candle wick. Yeah, here, right? So if we look at it like this is your trade. From here to here is your stop. Here to here is your TP. Then yeah, risk reward is not the best, to be honest. So just save your ammo, wait for later. Don't let the market... Because the thing I don't like about trading within this timing is the market will slow down, the market will range. So it's not very fun to have your mental state like irritated. Here. Yeah. See, look at all the candles. None of them really close higher or lower. So just be careful. It's just range. It's range timing. Look at it, it's still ranging. This big bearish candle came down, but didn't even break the previous low. So still inside that range like this. Yeah, Scorpio Kid. I think it might want to come down lower. So that's why I have this yellow box here. I think it will come inside. So I'm just watching. Yes, lens. My yellow box, I'm looking for some kind of support to form inside. Andy, how big is your screen, man? Even the chart is looking small on my screen, so I think your screen was damn big. Ah, no wonder. Is it baller? Is it curved? It's curved, right? 49. It's so small on my screen, so I know your screen must be damn big. Are you planning to take the trade long here with your stop loss here, since you swing it, right? Because the 4 hour looks nice. Yeah, I think the pullback might happen till maybe around this area, the previous resistance, or maybe at the wicks. I think let me make it bigger. I think maybe somewhere at the wicks. Yeah, I think if we look at the 1 hour, we might be able to spot it. Let's see. Yeah, Andy, definitely. I'll be looking at the area. See, let me draw out my green box. So this whole area here is within my strike zone. He's lining up. He has a lot of confluences at that area. Let's see if there's support forming. Yeah, Scorpio Kid House is about to reply. The risk reward doesn't seem very good if you're taking the breakdown, because this wick is too big. Because if you were to short this now into this area of resistance, your stop loss would be like 13 for 16 is not the best. I would rather just wait. Andy, what brand is your 49-inch Samsung? Ah, the Dell 49s are not bad. This one? 419. Damn, bro, you are a baller. So big. Technically, I cannot say that your screen is big. I literally have like 34 times 2, so I'm no better. It's just that yours is one piece, mine is 2. Dual is better already. I was struggling though. Previously, I used to, because you know, like if you have dual monitors, you have the stupid bezel in between. But because my monitor's bezel is quite thin, so I think sometimes I just don't see it. But if you have a singular monitor, the bezel's gone. But there's no differentiation then, like where you want to cut off the screen. Like now I can hide stuff on the other screen. Can we play games in there? Why not? It will be super immersive. It's too difficult to organize with one big screen. Yeah, true. I have so many windows open now. I just put one for charts and one for like other stuff. A-Rod, if it forms some kind of, because you have your wait, what's this called, a wedge, right? So if it forms some kind of bullish support here or bearish support here, once it breaks out, wouldn't it better to just take the trade there instead of, I don't know whether these prices are done on purpose, but if it's coming down, the retest should form somewhere here with new support forming off this trend line. It should be possible to take an entry, right? Because if you're trading it above here, then wouldn't you just be trading support and resistance and you don't really need this trend line anymore? Then you might have missed the pips from here to here, I think, on gold, which is quite a lot. It's like, how many dollars is that? Oh, that's a lot. 30? Swimmers, you asking me? I use a PC, so I just have 2 monitors connected to my CPU. Wick rejections to the resistance, stop loss above the wick, minor support to worry about. Okay, could possibly short here at the break of this low. Considering we're forming resistance at the top of this zone, 15-minute close beneath the 5-minute range. Yes, this is correct. So the fact that you are on the 15-minute time frame is weak. It's a weak confirmation. This candle did not close below your support that you are already worried about. I would not take the short. And your short should be below this support, not above it, because you're already worried about it. So the safest entry will be below the wicks actually. So once price actually breaks below this, with volume, it should continue pushing down. What's the lot size you use for a 10K account? It depends on what size your stop loss is. Many position size calculators available online. You can just try. So if your stop loss is 10 pips, account balance 10K. So some of them will ask you for dollar yen's price, so just take a rough pricing. 103,688. Risk, depending on your risk also, so there's a lot of factors to consider, but there you go. This is how you do it. You are waiting for the rest on the daily. Okay, let me see. The yellow, this yellow circle, is it, A-Rod? This one? Yeah, NDC, same price as me. 140,500, right? Yeah, same area as my strike zone. But I'm definitely not going to short it down. I'll just wait for it to come down. I'm willing to give up this for the bigger move up. The bigger and cleaner move up. Yeah, and now that we're coming to pre-New York, right? Because it technically hasn't broken and closed below this support here on the 15th. So if it forms new support, it can fly up from here also. Then we won't lose as long as we're not selling it. The way it's rejecting, GJ can very easily form support, making a higher low from here on this area. Hello, sir. Hello Kitty and you are both telling me about your poo cycles. We have become poo buddies.
Yo, you said it yourself yesterday.
I know, right? Oh, this is not for me. They have a high pip spread. But they wouldn't push you to overtrade, right, on FTMO, because technically, like the way I see it is, and when you're talking about FTMO, wait, when you hit this, does it like close off your FTMO account? But if you even hit this, oh, then your account becomes a demo. Okay, okay. They kind of push you to overtrade to complete. I don't see it that way though. Because if you plan out your trades properly and you know like your own trading parameters personally, like for me, I'm confident that I'm actually able to do like minimally 3% per week. So if you can do that, right, 3 times 4 is 12. You would easily clear this. So if you don't really have a stat like that, then you will feel like you have to overtrade to complete. And that is me taking 1 hour only on every single trade that I take, but I don't do that all the time. So I think this is reasonable, but you gotta measure, you gotta think about your own trading. What have you been delivering before you even consider this? If you can't deliver based on their challenges, then don't take it up. You'll always feel stressed like they push you to overtrade, which is not true, I feel. About their spreads, I don't know whether they have a high pip spread. And what's their spread now on GJ? .4, 0.6, then that's fair. That's like, how much is mine? GG, yeah. This is even cheaper than mine. Mine now is like 1.5. Commission is the same, right? 7 per lot. Yeah, then that's fine. Yeah, so the guys do FTMO, so Evan and Andy and Jack, I think. So, hybrid problem solved. Overtrading problem. Oh, sorry, Evan doesn't do FTMO. Yeah, everything's solved. I think the main thing is just understanding your own parameters first.
Yo. FTMO in here. How you doing?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Yeah?
No.
Okay. How you guys doing?
Imagine I answer you. Can you hear me? No. Troll.
Yo, I'm still waiting to hear if you're good or if you're bad.
I'm not good
How
today.
are you? Why?
Because I went to micromanage my trade. And I made it a loser.
Why, honey?
Nice. Good job, El.
Alexei, my boy, how you doing?
Oh, good, good.
Look how he's dating.
What are you looking for on GG? Hello Kitty.
Me? To sell it. In my opinion, it's a very good zone to sell it.
To?
Yeah, to sell it.
Yeah, till where?
Well, I could see your 076 Fibonacci. You can see 0786. Yeah, Fibonacci.
350, right?
Yeah, well, that's gonna be my first TP if it's gonna be hit. Then I would like to let it run for like 1 day or 2 days because I think it might go even further down. My opinion.
Yeah. If it doesn't form proper support here, then I won't touch it anyway.
Well, actually, I'll wait for the. Like, I will leave a runner, obviously, if it's going on profits.
You haven't sold it, right?
Yes, I did enter because I'm splitting on two positions. If I get stopped here, I will enter again, like higher, because I got another block on very low time frames. But anyway, I entered at 140, 680, 690, basically where the price is now. About. Yeah, but start ranging in low time frames.
Okay.
Fortunately.
Oh my god, Andy, I replied in the wrong place. No, Aaron, I haven't. This year is my year where I go and test the different prop accounts. I haven't registered yet. But I might go and test one of FTMO's prop. I haven't decided which one. I want to test and maybe do a vlog on it.
doing a vlog on YouTube.
Yeah.
You've got to do that.
Huh?
You got to do that. I'm waiting for you.
Of the challenges?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking of doing it.
It might be a proper vlog, yeah?
Yeah, let me think about it. It's gonna take a lot of editing. But I'll probably do like a blog to track the progress.
Alex can help with editing.
Hannah SG version. Yeah, maybe.
I want it to come down more to the golden zone slash that 1 hour, 4 hour zone. Bro, if she was my girlfriend, yeah, I'd be bro.
Yeah, this is a 4 hours zone also. So as we are waiting for it to come down, Hello Kitty is very happy.
Yeah. Should come down, hold that area. We get like an hour support, or even 30-minute maybe. Should continue to go back up. Because by that time, I think it should be coming up to North America Open if we do go down.
This company, I think we looked at this before. Let me see what was okay or not okay with it. No time limit.
I remember the good old days where Andy's name was Weirdo Trader. So
yeah, man.
We call him Weirdo every single time.
Yeah, I'm going to change it.
Oh, he's Andy.
Andy's Weirdo Trader, yeah.
I didn't know.
He's the one that looks at charts upside down. I'll always remember that. Oh my god, the website's buggy. %, okay. Why is the website like that? Oh, they even allow you to take profit share at evaluation. Interesting. I think I had an issue with Top Step. I forgot what it was. I need to write it down. I think we looked at it yesterday. Wait, hang on. Let me finish looking at this. Hello Kitty, which OB did you use? Proti is asking.
So sorry, I didn't hear. Which
order block did you use?
Oh, where did they find? What do you mean which order block? Where did they find the order block now?
Yeah.
Oh, it's way to the left. Like
what
you
time
can see
frame?
On the 1 hour, you can see. Now the moment it is at the top of the order block body, it was slight higher, I guess, to get like or stop losses for what, like sell limits, or to make people think that it's not a sell. I don't know, to be fair.
Wait, are you drawing on my... Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the order block basically. This went a little bit higher, which is this one. This spike. Sometimes it does.
Where was... I think this one I had an issue with the leverage. Oh yeah, so this one, yeah, I couldn't... I didn't feel comfortable with their loss limit. And their loss limit versus their profit limit. Yes, this one I remember. But I mean, if you can hit it, then it doesn't fit me. As for this one, I can't see anything that I don't like yet. Looks okay so far. Apart from their website being a bit buggy. So I can't even read this properly. How do funded brokers make their money? From people who are greedy and over risk, and then they just keep earning their monthly fees or every time they sign up, because people get very greedy on funded accounts. Whoa, the com is $9. Wow.
I've got 7.
Yeah, man. This one has $9 spreads on their prop account.
What do you got? 5, 6.
No, I have 7. This company has 9.
No, I do as well have 7.
Yeah. Oh, you guys are 8. Okay. Is it normal for them to charge that much? How much is... FTMO is 3 round trip. Wow, that's cheap. Wow, I got a lot of questions now. I think everyone's waiting for Raja to start. Yeah, I mean, if FTMO was offering 3 low spreads, apart from the server lagging, I don't see why you shouldn't consider them. Will yesterday's events affect the market a lot today? I don't know. I don't really trade news. I stay away from it, preferably. I just look at what price is telling me. And do I use RSI? Nope. Is MetaTrader 4 good to trade with? Why not? It's just an older platform, but it still works. What is a good spread example? You can go to and do a comparison. So just go to my FX book and compare the brokers, and you will know. You'll be able to see it here. So Googleable here, or whatever broker you want is here.
The thing is how they're basing the counting of the spread.
This
on
one?
the website. Yeah, how do they see? I mean, because you know, there's like spread widening, which is like.
Nah, I think it's just a rough gauge only. I don't think they have the. It's moving though. The spreads are moving. Yeah, I think it's rough. You can't have like 100% accuracy, but I think more or less it should be there. So let's say if I take Pepperstone.
When the session opens, I think you passed Pepperstone.
Where is
you
mine?
passed Pepperstone.
Huh?
Are you looking for Pepperstone?
Yeah.
I think you passed it. It was like one of the beginners.
Oh, is it? Wait, LMAX is the one that FTMO uses, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Oh, here. Yeah, so my spread, let's see if this is accurate. GJ. 1.73. Let me see. Nah. Oh, but I'm on the demo. My account is... Okay, let me see my live account. I think it's lagging. My live account is 1.2. Yeah. Why is it so high? Oh, look, they show you the real spread. Oh, they even have the broker time. This is good. Hmm, 1.8. Nah, my spread's not this high. It's higher than, I guess it's higher than what you really get. Oh, it's with, oh shit, yes, I put commission. Stupid. Let's see. Will I take a buy after 30-minute closes? Honestly, I don't like all these wicks rejecting on top. If this 30-minute closes above this resistance, maybe I'll consider it. If it closes below, no. Okay, let's see now. Oh, now this is accurate. Shit, stupid. Okay, so if you want to see the spread, just untick this. My bad. Yeah, it is accurate. Yeah, Vic, I don't think it's just about the support holding. It needs to break this resistance also, for me. I think you need to pay to be on this. Oh, Raja's on. Yeah, Ivan, if you want, the stream will be on after Raja anyway. I'm just leaving it running.
Go eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna go eat. Please don't draw my screen. Do not destroy my screen. Yeah, but anyway, bye bye YouTube. See you tomorrow.